see the world through my eyes. Vibrant purple sunrise, shards of broken dreams come raining down.
Mark here, Life and Fitness Files. Today, I wanted to give you a quick rundown of using resistance bands in your training. I know there's different perspectives about bands. Some people probably think they're pretty ridiculous or not as cool, but I want to let you know resistance bands can be great, especially in different circumstances and to meet the needs of your life. I'll start out by saying these bands, they might not look as cool as sitting under a barbell, bench pressing 200 pounds, but you can do a lot of the same thing and meet the same goals using these. Bands are pretty affordable and can help you get started, especially if you're just starting out. They're very versatile. You can do a lot of different exercises at a lot of different resistances or weights without having to have a ton of equipment. And it's flexible. You can do it in different rooms in the house, in different buildings. If you travel, it takes some of those excuses away so you can be consistent in helping you to meet your fitness goals. A few ideas of some different resistance bands. I have a few different sets. I like this one, Spree. It has light, medium, and heavy. There's a orange, blue, and a gray. I have two sets because of how I have the setup and want to use dual bands, but you can use one set to get started. I think I got these at Walmart, probably, I don't know, 20 bucks. Super versatile. You also have these rubber tube bands that come with a handle. I do not have a brand name on these, literally the same brand. If this works for you, these are ones that you can anchor to something, doing your exercise this way. Boom. Many of the sets come with these door anchors. Hook this over the door, close the door, and then hook your bands through the little loop. Boom, you got your home gym. So affordability. Having bands is a lot more affordable than buying a bunch of weights. I have another video on the Bowflex Select Tech dumbbells. Those are awesome. I love them. However, you might not be able to spend 200 bucks on each dumbbell, so 400 something bucks to have a pair of those. They give you a lot of options. If you don't use those, you're gonna have to buy a pair of multiple dumbbells from 5 pounds, 10 pounds, 15 pounds, 20 pounds, however many you want. So the more weights you want around, the more you're gonna have to spend. If you're trying to get started, you might not wanna invest all of that. Bands are a great way to get into it. Like I said, you can get a set of these, I wanna say maybe 20 bucks. You get a light, medium, and a heavy. Comes with a door anchor. If it doesn't, you can take a look for one. Super affordable. This can help you get started. Then we have versatility. Once you get using them, there's a ton of different exercises you can do for any muscle group and lots of different angles once you get into that to work muscles in different ways. For instance, if you are wanting to work your chest with the setup I have here, you don't need this setup. You can use a door anchor, but I can have something at mid-height and work my chest, doing a press. No barbell, boom. Now, if I then want to work my lower chest, I come at it from a higher angle. Again, you can use a door anchor. If you're going from high to low, I'm now working my lower chest. This is something you'd need a reclined bench, getting those dumbbells in place, and then laying backwards to work that lower chest. But now I can go from high to low, come down, I'm working that lower chest, across, down. I can then take these, put them on my low anchor, and again, come up. I now can work my upper chest, coming out across my body. I can then do that with a ton of different exercises. You can work shoulders, you can work chest, you can turn, you can do rows, you can work your back, you can do face pulls where you're working your upper back and your rear shoulders. Tons of exercises. You can take these and do lots of core exercises where you're pulling and holding and stabilizing. Biceps, you can work triceps. Lots of different angles. I'm going to be having some different videos on how you can hit each of those different muscles. It's also easy on your joints. So for those of you who are trying to get into this and thinking, I don't know, it's going to be hard to lift weights, might be older, might have some injuries, they're very versatile and give you a great workout to help you target the muscles you want to help you with your fitness. Bands give you flexibility. Eliminate some of those excuses. I don't have anywhere to store all these weights. I just guess I can't do it. This stuff, you can fit it into a bag. Oh, I travel a lot for work. I'm in hotels. It's okay. You can take these with you. If you use this door anchor, it works on any door. It's great. You can get 2 of these, so you can do it with 2 sets of bands. It eliminates a lot of those reasons why we say we can't do something. Maybe you have kids and you need to do this in a different room on different days. Again, it works on any door. You can take it upstairs, you could take it downstairs, pop it on there while you're watching your kids doing something, while you're watching your dog doing something. Even while you're watching TV, you could hook it to the door, boom, flexibility. These are awesome to help you to meet your goals, stay in shape, build some muscle so you can increase your longevity and your health. I'm going to be creating some more videos talking about resistance bands, why they work great, how to do different exercises with those bands, and why you should get yourself a set of resistance bands. But thanks for watching today. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with videos and content. I'll be sharing more videos. Make sure to comment and tell me what you guys want to see. Hope this video helps you on your fitness journey. Here's to life and fitness. Peace out.